Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are all best in your life. So now my topic today about head. So now in this video I will define about head. So you will subscribe my channel Bio with Danish channel. So now I will define about head. A head is a part of an organism which usually includes the ears, brain, forehead, cheeks, chin, eyes, nose, and mouth, each of which aid in various sensory functions such as sight, hearing, smell, and taste. Some very simple animals may not have a head, but many bilaterally symmetric forms do. Irregularities of size heads develop in animals by an evolutionary trend known as cephalization. In bilaterally symmetrical animals, nervous tissue concentrate at the anterior region, forming structure responsible for information processing through biological evolution. Sense organs and feeding structures also concentrate into the anterior region. These collectively from the head. Now we will discuss about human head. The human head is an anatomical unit that consists of the skull, heart, bone, and cervical vertebrae. The term skull collectively denotes the mandible and the cranium. Sculptures of human heads are generally based on a skeletal structure that consists of a cranium, jawbone, and cheekbone. Through the number of muscles making up the face is generally constant between sculptures. The shape of the muscles varies widely based on the function, development, and expressions reflected on the faces of the objects. Proponents of identism believe that the mind is identical to the brain. Philosopher John Searle asserts his identist believes starting the brain is the only thing in the human head. Similarly, Dr. Henry Bennett Clark has stated that the head encloses billions of magnetons and microgonons with no single boss. Other animals, the evolution of a head is associated with the cephalization that occurred in Bilateria some 555 million years ago. Arthropods, in some arthropods, especially tribes, the cephalon or cephalic region is the region of the head which is collectively of few segments. Insects, typical insect head is composed of eyes, antennae, and components of mouth. As these components are differ substantially from insect to insect, they form important identification links. Eyes in the head found the several types of insects are in the form of a pair of compound eyes with multiple faces. In many other types of insects, the compound eyes are seen in a single facial or group of a single facts. In some cases, the eyes may be seen as marks on the dorsal or located near or toward the head, two or three oculi. Antenna is on the insect's head is found in the form of segmented attachments in pairs that are usually located between the eyes. These are the varying shapes and sizes in the form of filaments or in different enlarged or collapsed form. Insects have mouthparts in various shapes depending on their feeding habits. Labrum is the upper lip which is in the front area of the head and is the most exterior part. A pair of mandibles is found on the backside of the labrum flanking the side of the mouth, succeeded by a pair of maxillae, each of which is known as maxillary pulp. At the backside of the mouth is labium or lower lip. There is also an extra mouth part in some insects which is termed as hypopharynx, which is usually located between the maxilla. Uh, Various vertebrates and the new head hypothesis through interval chordates such as tunicate larvae or the lancettes have heads. There have been a question of how to vertebrate head characterized by a bony skull clearly separated from the main body might have evolved from the head structures of these animals. So friends, how is my topic about the head? If you like this my topic, so subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, so now I will start to my new video. I am Go Lafis.